Jinny, Jerry, and friends.
B. There was a panda in a jungle who had no friends. He used to eat alone, sleep alone, as he had no friends. One day, Panda heard a sound. Following the sound, he ended up in a house where there was a princess who was playing a piano. What a wonderful tune it was! She had everything to eat, but yet she was very sad. Panda wondered why.
She had pumpkin. She had pear. She had so many things. Yet she said, I wonder why. Maybe she needs a friend. Oh, friend it is. I want to be her friend.
Panda happily reached Princess' house. Oh, who are you? Princess was shocked to see the panda. Who are you? What are you doing in my house?
Oh, princess, don't worry. I'm just here to be your friend. Will you be my friend?
Of course, Panda. Friend was the one I was looking for. Thank you so much.
I hope you like the story. Let's repeat all the words what we saw in the story. Panda. Pear. Pumpkin. Princess.